Which built-in coffee machine is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Cuisinart 14-Cup Coffee Maker. First up is the Cuisinart 14-Cup Coffee Maker. Priced at about $114, it caught my attention with its sleek stainless steel design and impressive features. If you want a reliable drip coffee maker that brews a solid cup of coffee every time, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The adjustable carafe temperature is a game changer. It lets you keep your coffee at the perfect warmth, whether you like it piping hot or just warm enough to sip without burning your tongue. Plus, with brew strength control, you can customize your coffee's intensity to your liking, going for that bold kick or just a regular cup. And let's not forget the 14-cup capacity, which is perfect for those busy mornings when everyone needs their caffeine fix. With over 9,000 units sold this month, clearly, it's a popular choice. Now, some people complained about the carafe being a bit tricky to pour without spilling. Here's the thing though, it does take a little practice, but once you get the hang of it, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a straightforward machine that brews for a crowd. Skip this one if you're looking for something more compact or if you exclusively drink single servings. For the price, it delivers solid value and reliability. Now, if the large capacity didn't quite suit your needs, the next option might just be the answer you're looking for. Product number 2, Hamilton Beach 2-Way Coffee Maker. Next up is the Hamilton Beach 2-Way Programmable Coffee Maker. Retailing at approximately $112, it really caught my eye with its dual brewing options. If you want the flexibility to brew a full pot or just a single cup, this is definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With this machine, you can brew up to 12 cups on the carafe side or just 14 ounces on the single-serve side, which is perfect for those busy mornings when you're in a rush. The auto pause and pour feature means you can snag a quick cup before the pot is finished brewing. Plus, you're skipping the plastic waste from single-serve pods, which is better for the environment. With over 5,000 units sold this month, it's clearly resonating with buyers. Now, some users have mentioned that the brewing process can be a bit slower than they'd like. Here's my take. While it might take a little longer, the flavor you get in return is often worth the wait. This is perfect for you if you want flexibility in brewing without the hassle of needing separate machines. Skip this one if you prefer exclusively one type of brewing method. It's a smart choice for the price, offering a lot of features for a reasonable cost. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those serious about their coffee. Product number 3, Ninja Luxe Cafe Pro Series. Now let's talk about the Ninja Luxe Cafe Pro Series. This one's a bit of an investment at around $951, but its versatility caught my attention. If you want a top-tier machine that can do it all from espresso to cold brew, this is definitely worth a closer look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This machine is like having a full cafe right in your kitchen. It offers 4 machines in one, covering espresso, drip coffee, cold brew, and even an independent hot water system. With Barista Assist technology, you'll get customized grind size recommendations, which means you're not left guessing if your brew will turn out right. The 25 grind settings ensure you get the perfect coffee for your preference every time. It's no wonder over 1,000 of these have been sold recently. Now, some people might feel that the price is a real hurdle. But honestly, if you're serious about your coffee and want cafe-quality drinks at home, this cost can be justified. This is perfect for you if you're an avid coffee drinker who appreciates variety and quality. Skip this one if you're just looking for something to brew the basics. For enthusiasts, the price is well worth the investment. Now, if the price tag on that one made you hesitate, the next machine is a fantastic alternative that still packs a punch. Product number 4, Ninja Luxe Cafe 3-in-1. Next, we have the Ninja Luxe Cafe 3-in-1 Espresso Drip Coffee and Cold Brew Machine. Coming in at about $759, it's another versatile option. If you want a powerful coffee machine that can handle a variety of drinks without the hefty price of a cafe, this one's worth checking out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This machine can create espresso, drip coffee, and cold brew. It has a built-in grinder that adjusts the grind size automatically for you, which is a huge time saver. Plus, the hands-free frothing feature allows you to create barista-quality froth at home. With 1,000 units sold recently, it's popular for a reason. However, some users have pointed out that it can take a bit longer to brew than expected. Here's my perspective on that. While it may not be the fastest, the flavor and quality you get are often unmatched. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional machine that doesn't compromise on quality. Skip this one if you only want a basic coffee maker. For the features it offers, it's a solid investment. Finally, if you're looking for an even more budget-friendly option without sacrificing quality, the last product on my list might just hit the spot. Product number 5, Cuisinart Automatic Grind and Brew. Last but not least, we have the Cuisinart Automatic Grind and Brew 12-cup coffee maker priced at around $152. If you want fresh ground coffee without the hassle of separate grinders, this machine is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It grinds whole beans right before brewing, ensuring that your coffee is as fresh as possible. With a 12-cup capacity, it's perfect for families or those who love to entertain. Plus, the grind-off feature means you can brew pre-ground coffee if you're in a pinch. With about 1,000 sold this month, it's clear that people are loving this feature. That said, some users found the blade grinder less effective compared to burr grinders. But honestly, if you're not a coffee snob and just want good coffee, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you appreciate the convenience of having everything in one machine. Skip this one if you're looking for a high-end grinder or espresso capability. For its price, it's a great value for those who want freshly brewed coffee without extra clutter. So there you have it. We've looked at the Cuisinart 14-cup, the Hamilton Beach 2-way, the Ninja Luxe Cafe Pro, the Ninja Luxe 3-in-1, and the Cuisinart Automatic Grind and Brew. Each has its strengths, whether you need capacity, versatility, or just a solid cup of coffee. No matter what your brewing needs are, one of these machines is sure to fit the bill. Happy brewing!